Most creators build lead magnets the completely wrong way. They create free checklists, useless 40-page PDFs nobody reads, top 10 tips, documents, random templates, and then wonder, oh my gosh, why their leads are cold, the email list doesn't buy, and their funnel doesn't make money. Here is the inconvenient truth. A lead magnet is not supposed to give information. A lead magnet is supposed to create a demand. A lead magnet is the first step of your sales system. It's in the front of the funnel. So if it's wrong, the entire funnel collapses. Today, I'm going to show you the 7 rules for a lead magnet that doesn't just collect emails, but brings in buyers, clients, and people ready to take actions. This is the exact framework we use to build lead magnets that convert in Evergreen funnels for creators making 20K, 50K, and even 300K in sales a month. Hi everyone, my name is Zakkery. I'm an online course producer, a launch strategist. I do Evergreen funnels for online educators. And today, I'll walk you through the entire process, how to create a high-intent lead magnet that actually sells your course before the sales page does. Okay, rule number 1, your lead magnet must solve one micro problem. A high-converting lead magnet is not a mini course. It solves one tiny, sharp, very specific problem, such as, how do I choose my niche? What does my first workout plan look like? How do I know I qualify for a home loan? How do I price my first coaching offer? Depending on at what niche you are. The smaller the promise, the higher the conversion. For example, for our client who has an online course for fitness coaches, we have created a lead magnet which helps us to nurture the leads from the first point. It's all about how to become a fitness coach in the United States. Very detailed step-by-step instruction which guides our leads through the whole journey, and that makes them feel interested, involved in the topic, and we move them to the next step, which is Evergreen webinar. Rule number 2, the lead magnet must help the person to make a decision. The best lead magnets create clarity. The problem is why the prospect is not ready to say yes or not ready to move on to the next stage of the sales. Just because there's so many puzzles of information, they do not understand from which point to start. And if you do not give that clarity, if you do not show them the entire process, the entire map, they will still keep hesitating. The ideal lead magnet shows at a very clear childish level language the solution to the current problem. For example, we have another client, they teach videographers and photographers how to succeed in wedding industry. For this specific project, we have created the lead magnet which demonstrates step-by-step how to make $10,000 effortlessly if you are a videographer, photographer, and you work in a wedding business. We have broke down every option they can consider if they want to achieve this specific level of income per month. And this works like crazy. This lead magnet attracts attention, shows the clear paths how you can generate $10,000 if you know the way, if you know how real wedding business works, and then it directs the readers to the next step, which is what? Obviously, Evergreen webinar. And then from the Evergreen webinar, we convert them from a regular attendees to paid orders. Another important detail for the rule number 2, when your lead magnet gives clarity, it also should answer the question, am I ready? What's my level at the moment? What should I do next? Rule 3, the lead magnet must lead directly into your paid offer. So how we do that? Your lead magnet is not random. It must be strategically connected to the next step, which leads to the purchase of the main product, aka your mentorship program or online course. Let me give you another example. We have a client, they have a big school on bookkeeping. They have a lead magnet which explains how a bookkeeper can start a bookkeeping business. Once the person downloads the guide, he understands that he does not need any specific degree, or he doesn't need a big investment to start the business, and he realizes that he is already on the way to the bookkeeping business, but he is just doing it wrong. And if he wants to avoid the potential mistakes, and if he doesn't want to lose money and time and some other resources, he better come to Evergreen webinar, which is the next step of the lead magnet. Also, there is another option for this project. Instead of just giving them the PDF file, which breaks down every step on how to start the bookkeeping business, we also created the quiz. I love quizzes. The quiz is the set of questions which directs the attention of the person who is answering the questions of the quiz to the right spot. And the spot is Evergreen webinar, where we pitch and demonstrate the product. The quiz is, are you ready to become a bookkeeping business owner? Or not just 10 ways how you can establish your bookkeeping business, but are you ready? And this will inspire the questions which they will want to be answered. And the answers are where? At the Evergreen webinar, which is the next step of the funnel. Here comes the next rule, my favorite one, and probably the most difficult one to achieve. The lead magnet must create an aha moment. What is an aha moment? That's the breakthrough and another level of understanding the problem of the consumer of the lead magnet. Should be like this. Oh my God, I didn't know this. This makes total sense now. So this is the reaction we are expecting our lead magnet to generate. This builds trust faster than any long webinar. For example, we have a client. She's a mortgage broker, and we have created the Evergreen webinar for her. But before people come to the webinar, they read 10-pager, a PDF file, which explains them that they do not need to earn thousands of dollars monthly, or they do not need to be super extra rich and whatever in order to be qualified for the mortgage. And this lead magnet opens some fields of unknown for them and generates that, oh my gosh, I didn't know that. The next rule for the extremely efficient lead magnet is rule number 5. It must be consumable in under 10 minutes. People have now some problems with attention. They cannot read thick books. They want to consume information faster. They do not trust you enough. You're just random stranger who shared a random PDF file or whatsoever. So no one gonna watch your 40-minute free training. No one opens 29 pages right now. High converting lead magnet is super quick, sharp, have some charts, have pictures. Their ideal visualization here will be like a book for a 5-year-old kid. You open the page and you can understand clearly what's gonna be the story about. Can be in the format of quiz. It can be one-page roadmap, which is super clear and shows you the whole picture, or a calculator or a mini audit or something like that. You should not disregard how important a lead magnet is. You need to allocate about 20% of all your time, or which you contributed to the creation of the funnel. One of the last rules is that it must segment people automatically. So this is where most creators lose money. Your lead magnet is a gold mine for segmenting leads into beginners, intermediate, and advanced level. And definitely we need to understand who of those readers are ready to buy and whom we need to nurture. So the best way to do this is definitely the questionnaires, the quizzes, scorecards. For example, I already mentioned the case of a mortgage broker. We stream the direction to the free consultation, which we offer at the Evergreen webinar. It's a huge load of work to have consultations with everyone. So what we do, we score the leads, we score the answers. And before they sign up for the consultation, they answer a set of questions. Then we automatically grade the respondents according to some metrics which we're targeting. We're definitely targeting people who are ready to buy, not just shopping around. We're definitely targeting specific geographical locations because she's a mortgage broker. She cannot work all over the states. And we are looking for people who can potentially qualify. So they have a certain level of income, certain level of credit score, and so on. So they are marked as an A-level leads. And only A and B level of respondents can be approved for the free consultation. That significantly saves the time, and that helps us to understand the efficiency of the lead magnet Evergreen webinar. Are we attracting the right audience, or we need to optimize the funnel? And the last thing is definitely the lead magnet should be followed by the next step of the funnel. So it should not be just one. Do not rely on just one lead magnet. First, you need to create more of those. Second, those lead magnets should direct attention to the next steps of the funnel. So let me summarize all 7 rules of the most efficient lead magnet. The first one, solve one micro problem. Help the person make a decision, lead directly into your paid offer, create an aha moment, be consumable in under 10 minutes, segment people automatically, and end with a strong call to action. So lead the consumers of those magnets to the next step of the funnel. Another good example of the lead magnet is my free consultations, which I offer to everyone who is watching my videos on YouTube. You guys can click the link in the description box and come join me for the free consultation. I do not grade your requests, but the thing is, I have only 5 free consultations per month. If you want me to help you to build your Evergreen webinar or to improve how your course is performing, schedule the call using the link below, and I will be happy to assist you in this journey. Super important that this call is only for people who already have existing online course, mentorship program, one-on-one consultations whatsoever, and you already have an experience in the past selling it. Only in this case, I can help you to scale. Otherwise, complete the first step, create the course, and then come to the free consultation. That's it for today. I hope that after this video, you guys will change your attitude to the freebies. Do not treat it as some useless PDF files which die in the inbox of your clients. No, this is the first impression, the first touch point with your brand. So make it look perfect.